So far we have covered up to 7 Mukhi Rudraksh. 1 to 7 Mukhi Rudraksh we have already discussed. In this video we are talking about 8 Mukhi Rudraksh, which is a little controversial because some people say it's for the Ketu, some people say it is Rahu. I say 8 Mukhi Rudraksh is for the Ketu. Why I say like that? Because the 8 Mukhi Rudraksh is controlled and governed by Lord Ganesha. Ganesha is the epitome of knowledge. Ketu is also related to the wisdom, knowledge and out-of-box thinking, spirituality. That is why 8 Mukhi Rudraksh I say always used to be used for the Ketu. If you have any issues related to anxiety, confusion in life, anxiety neurosis, if your Ketu is bad in your chart, you must consider wearing 8 Mukhi Rudraksh. If you have a Kalasarpa dosha along with the 9 Mukhi Rudraksh for the Rahu, you have to use the 8 Mukhi Rudraksh for the Ketu. So this Rudraksh helps you to have creative ideas and out-of-box thinking. What do I mean by out-of-box thinking? If there is a problem in the company where you are working and nobody is able to find out a solution, you come out with some kind of solutions immediately and people get surprised with your kind of solutions because the solution which you give is never thought about by other people. It is something new dimension, a new way to look at it which you project to people. That is why I say out-of-box thinking. 8 Mukhi Rudraksh also create opportunity for you for a sudden gain of wealth. Means maybe some kind of foreign assignment comes for you or some new ideas comes to you which you can patent, a new design, innovative mind. And if you are a seeker, spiritual seeker, then definitely it helps you to connect to the Brahmanda, the source of infinite knowledge. That is how the 8 Mukhi Rudraksh can help you. Anybody can wear 8 Mukhi Rudraksh. If it has to be worn, it has to be worn on the right hand or over the chest area. If you are wearing your neck area, try to wear it as close as possible. If you are a girl or if you have a long hair, you can also put it on the hair. 8 Mukhi Rudraksh on a clip. 8 Mukhi Rudraksh, whether Indonesia or the Nepal, both are absolutely fine. There is no issues. You can wear. 8 Mukhi Rudraksh, how many beads? You can wear only 1 bead. If you want to wear more beads, you can wear, but not required. If the Ketu is bad in the chart, never wear a Lasunia, the cat-sized stone, I always warn you. It may work in a detrimental way and create negativity inside you and increase the anxiety inside you, making you a victim of anxiety neurosis. 8 Mukhi Rudraksh can work wonderfully good. I have seen with thousands of people. By giving 8 Mukhi Rudraksh, I have seen that people have creative ideas, out-of-box thinking, sudden gain of wealth, spirituality, growth in spirituality, etc. etc. So don't confuse 8 Mukhi Rudraksh with the Rahu. It is for the Ketu only. In what other situations you can wear 8 Mukhi Rudraksh? There can be myriads of situations. Like you want to take a decision, but then you doubt yourself. Self-doubt, I would say. If you have self-doubt, if the Ketu is sitting in the marriage house, what is going to happen? It is going to create confusion inside you and it is going to confuse relationships. Sitting in the Lagna house, Ketu, it will create again anxiety. In the 4th house, anxiety. So there are many situations where you can use the 8 Mukhi Rudraksh to resolve all the issues related to your brain neurons, to bring stability. When you wear 8 Mukhi Rudraksh, don't forget to do Crown Chakra Sadhana, Sahasrara Chakra Sadhana. This is very, very easy to do. You have to interlock all the fingers, put the left thumb below the right thumb like this. Raise the small fingers, 2 small fingers. Close your eyes, imagine yourself just sitting on a place where the above sky is open. There is nothing above you. You can imagine yourself that you are sitting near the seashore or the mountain. And you have to chant Vijay Mantra, Ang. After visualizing color violet. You have to visualize color violet over the head area and chant Vijay Mantra Ang. It's like this, visualization over the head, violet color, because ultraviolet color is the color of Ketu, I say. Because you cannot see ultraviolet with the naked eyes, you cannot imagine. So something similar, the violet color you have to imagine over your head. So let's imagine violet color over the head and chant Take a deep breath, feel your belly. Chant like this for 3 to 5 minutes for 30 days to create a neural path. If you do this and wear 8 Mukha Rudraksh, then you will have tremendous results, very powerful results. Next video will talk about 9 Mukha Rudraksh for the Rahu, again controversial. I will be explaining to you why 9 Mukha Rudraksh should be used for Rahu. Till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.